I came here with a purpose: to shape and refine my soul. This can only be done through the quality of my thoughts, choices, and actions taken here on earth in this very lifetime. So everything in life is an opportunity to exercise the soul towards reaching its full potential, and in so doing, to determine my fate. It is not a complicated matter, since all the necessary tools and skills are already self-contained. But as we often find, not all that is simple is also easy. Just like climbing the tallest peak, to appreciate the widest horizon takes the most time, effort, and will. To sculpt a beautiful soul from a rough, static, and cold exterior takes a strong, unwavering vision, persistent but calm resolve, and abundant, passionate devotion. So how do I start? Like all monumental endeavors, this task will require a solid foundation within. I will begin by being extremely patient with myself. Like a child learning to walk, I will fall and get up. I will fall again and get up again. But I will be persistent, making slight improvements every single day. I will hold my head high because I will be victorious in my personal, soul-saving transformation. None of this will be painless. But what road to freedom ever is? Things that might seem like obstacles, I will see as motivation. Today, there will be an opportunity to believe in myself. Today, there will be an opportunity to become healthy again. Today, there will be an opportunity to be understanding and kind to myself. I will make the time to plan out a day or a week for myself. I will take on the too often forgotten challenge to love myself, no matter what happens. I will take a walk in nature. I will feel the sun shine its rays on my face. I will thoughtfully prepare a huge fresh salad and a pot of healthy and hearty soup to savor. When I forget and need a reminder, I will repeat. Because I know my source, I know God loves me. Because God loves me, I will have faith and love for myself. I will never, ever give up on me. Because I have faith, I also have the courage and the capacity to overcome every difficult moment in this life. If I want to change my habits, if I want to change my whole life, it is always possible, one small step at a time. I will not compare myself to anyone else. My life is my own, one-of-a-kind treasure. I determine what I need, and my good, God-given instincts will help me to make the right decisions. I will get rid of my imaginary problems and face all the rest head on with bravery, dignity, and drive. There comes a time when all the games become tiresome. That is when one must figure out a way to return to one's healthy, reinvigorated body, harmonious and focused mind, and a revived essence of spirit. Well, those who seek will find. But first, I will get my physical and mental rest so I can get my health back, my confidence, and my freedom back. When given a chance, a proper environment, and time, the mind can heal and the body strengthen. It is the process of self-healing, self-discovery, and self-love that can correct and redefine a whole way of life. Here, there's no more fear, because fear can only persist in the absence of love. My inner child is now happy, no longer crying out for my attention. And this might sound like New Age mumbo-jumbo, but disregarding it will get you in a lot of trouble, man. I see improvement. And thank God for second chances. Knowing His light is always on, I cannot stay a victim or drown in miserable addictions. Knowing where my power comes from keeps me firmly aimed at a better and more beautiful life. It doesn't matter where I've been or even where I am. It only matters where I'm heading. And the direction is salvation, joy, fulfillment, love, and peace. There will be many forks on the road ahead, but they won't mislead me no more. Once I know the true worth of this existence, I cannot unknow it or ignore it and brush it aside. The destiny of my soul is at stake here. And this makes every decision to do what is right perfectly clear. I now accept full responsibility to handle my life, no matter how difficult times may get, and smile, anticipating my journey and its ultimate destination.